Greetings from Hear It. Friends, today I'm going to make something very simple to you. Mostly, we feel something is difficult or something which we can't achieve, or we can't just do it by ourselves without any guidance when we don't know the full information. Today, I plan to give you a very basic, simple term information about a big term called hearing aids. When we say hearing aids, we'll be like, oh, so sorry, आपको hearing aids किसी में आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं देता, आपको hearing aid लग गई, बहुत खराब होगा ना लॉस, कोई और ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शन नहीं मिला क्या आपको? And so many things in India, sadly, very unfortunately, we attach so much of stigma to a very simple problem. See, I will not say hearing loss is simple. Hearing loss is something which has a simple solution. That's what I plan to say when I say it's simple. See, first I would like to tell you how a hearing loss, or when is that somebody among you need a audiologist like me. When we have a hearing loss, the first thing, if you go to a doctor and say, doctor, I think I can't hear well. My wife says that I miss on words. My son says that I keep the TV volume too loud. If these things have been occurring with you, you surely need to see an audiologist. If, and mostly in India, we tend to go to a MBBS, DNB, ENT doctor. Here, the doctor only would see for a otoscopy, try to rule out all the other reasons of hearing loss, which could be your infection, which even could be any trauma or your age-related factors. With these, the most primarily which he will ask would be a audiometry report, a audiogram, which is usually done by and which should be done by a audiologist, is a very crucial first baseline test which tells you that the hearing loss is at what degree, what is the type, what is the configuration. This helps the ENT to decide the mode of treatment. If there is no active infection, if this is not a case of sudden hearing loss, if it is a plain age related or a slowly progressive, a long-term hearing loss, now the ball is in court of the audiologist. Here, the audiologist would try to trace your hearing, take the exact baseline amount, and would suggest you a hearing aid. Hearing aid, please behold, it would not mean that it has to be very big, very obvious, and a very big, a very big cash on your pocket. It doesn't have to be like that. Hearing aids can start with a very low amount, something like 7,000, going to as high as 3.5 lakhs. When we say such a big range, please understand there is a lot of science of hearing and physics which deals into these hearing aids, and when we add extra features to it to make your hearing more comfortable, more natural, it yes adds on to the cost. But it does not mean a machine of say 25,000, 20,000, or as low as 12 to 14,000 would not help you. Yes, it will help in a different way. I would give you an example. If I have or I own a very simple phone, say I have a Vivo and some XYZ phone, and the primary thing for my phone is calling. Actually, just calling itself is enough. But I want WhatsApp, I want internet facilities, I want video calling facilities, I need good messaging. So all these things are adding to the features. It is not that only phone would not have been good, but these features have made my life easy. The same way, when we have a hearing aid, and this hearing aid has hearing, that is amplification, which is a very basic